haven't selected good one for me now.
It's her birthday today, and I want her to get the ring.
You don't have like 24 carat, 20,
I don't. They don't sell.
all 18 carat.
You don't have my size. Anything she wants because it's her birthday. Anything she wants. Where is ladies section?
Okay.
Be in budget, okay?
No, you don't worry. I'll be in budget. Okay. Ring lungi, ajme ring lungi. I got the size, but they will give me like without diamond one, so I will take it. Without diamond is 9,500, and with diamond is 37,500.
You're breaking my heart. I need to buy it today. My boyfriend gave me his card today. I need to spend it. Otherwise, cancel.
Yeah, like
Excuse me, dear. Can I keep my bag here? मैं सोच रही हूँ हम यहाँ से कैसे निकलेंगे क्योंकि तुम्हारा साइज लेने के लिए वो गया है। अरे यार बैक टू बैक नो मिल रहा है। 2 यस मिला, 2 नो मिला। यहाँ चले क्या? चलते चले गए। चलो जाना है आपको?
चलो
हाँ लेट्स गो ना।
लेट्स गो चलो।
ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या करेंगे?
अभी मुझे चाहिए, चलो
नो ही तो बोलेंगे ना।
हाँ अभी
नो ही तो बोलेंगे।
अभी जो मुझे चाहिए।
Excuse me.
That size is different, might be.
It's okay. Where is ladies section?
This all is ladies section.
It's her birthday today, and I want her to get the ring.
Sorry?
It's her birthday.
Okay.
Okay, so she wants ring. Okay, can you show her? Do you have any ring? We need more. We need to see more.
What do you want?
Ring.
Finger ring.
Okay.
Finger ring.
No, but you said something after the finger ring.
It's her birthday.
Okay.
Dear, you are so confused.
Would you like from any collection?
Anything she wants because it's her birthday. Anything she wants.
You need to choose. We have neither one.
You can try it on for your color and then you can choose.
Okay.
Because your dress is shimmery.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
that I will check. You don't worry. I will select a good one for me now.
You would like from D01 collection, Serpenti, the Snake, Diva collection. We have different collections.
I need a thin one, simple one, not the broad one. See,
Okay.
simple, elegant.
Alright, so we think we'll go to the other section.
No,
I think even I should look for myself. I think
that's right.
if we find something good, then let's sit. No, my feet hurts. Let's sit.
This type of watch
Anything you
in
want?
India, it's very famous.
Do you think I should propose him like my boyfriend? Do you think I should propose him with a ring? Like
Yeah.
because last Valentine I didn't give him anything.
You should, right? You need to check from here. Like, if
Excuse
you
me,
get,
dear. Can I keep my bag here? Do you think I should propose him?
Of course, yes.
Because he got me ring and I didn't give him anything.
Yes. You need to check one for him.
Okay, we will check if they have anything.
Yes.
This one or this one.
अभी रिया तो रुक, मैं तेरे को कैसे फंसाती हूँ?
Model.
Try it on, no, in your hand. Dear, I'm also looking for bracelet for my hand. Golden one.
Gold है ना? मेरे को फिट ही नहीं हो रहा है. So gold.
They can rearrange the size. It's fine.
Yeah, of course. Just I'm showing to you the model.
Okay.
If you like it, the models, I will give you your size.
Yes, a little big size.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Be in budget, okay?
No, you don't worry. I'll be in budget. Okay. And is this a gold one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I think so.
What carat?
All is gold, yeah.
Yeah, what
18
carat?
carat.
18 carat?
Yes.
You don't have like 24 carat, 20,
I don't. They don't sell.
all
Very
18 carat? Okay.
This one is your size, I guess.
Either size.
Yes.
Can I have something for my hand? Bracelet?
Sure.
Let me finish. Today is my birthday. First, let me get one,
Sure,
Riya.
Would you like to try this bracelet? We have without diamond as well.
This is not my size. Is this?
Yeah.
Dear, what do you think?
This is
And I
loose
also
for
need
me.
to propose to my boyfriend, so I need
is
you to
loose
sew
for
one ring for me, for the man.
Alright.
This is loose for me. It's
Okay,
not.
so between them.
Yeah.
Something thick. It is too slim for me.
Okay. I will try this, otherwise I will go to the safety room.
You can take this. Something thick, okay?
Bigger, yeah.
मेरे को आज कोई गिफ्ट नहीं मिलेगा क्या? ये मेरे को फिट नहीं हो रहा
It's
है.
not
ये-
fitting you. My dear, it's not fitting her. The
Both
ring
are
is not
of
in
same
my
size.
Large size, yeah. Large.
Actually, we are running out of time.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can choose the design as well. No, do you like this plain or you want
no,
some
this is
diamond or
fine.
something?
No. I want
Okay.
a plain one, elegant one. See how simple I wear. I wear very
Just
Yeah.
try the size. I will bring from the set. This full diamond, but try the size.
okay.
Check
Yeah,
size.
this is correct. For
This
me.
is your size,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. I will bring for you. Send this model.
And a bracelet for me, please.
Yeah, please, because I can't serve two
Oh,
on the same time.
You
So
want to try
Riya,
this?
I
Watch?
got the size, but they will give me like without diamond one. So I will take one if you give me.
Okay. Okay, dear. Okay. I think I should propose my boyfriend.
Yes.
Not propose. I think I should give him a ring. Because I
Obviously.
think he deserves it.
Obviously, yes.
Can you give me one now? Because my hand is tired. I also have you seen their watch? I mean, this is so elegant.
Yeah, this model is very famous.
Dear, can we try this? Excuse me, sir. Hello. Maybe because of the accent.
Pause karo.
They are famous for this watch.
This watch model is very famous. This is a
Look
snake
at that,
model.
it's so good. I think I should buy watch. Do you think you should take a ring or watch? What do you want to take?
Ring. That
इतने
would be
price
more
check किया, इतने
romantic.
price check किया.
Huh.
कितना था?
Without diamond is 9,500 and with diamond is 37,500.
हाँ, okay, okay. हो गया, छोड़ दो.
मुझे तो रिंग चाहिए आज मैं रिंग लूंगी
अभी मैं
रिया
सोच
मुझे
रही
रिंग
हूँ
दिलाई
अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ हम यहाँ से कैसे निकलेंगे क्योंकि तुम्हारा साइज लेने के लिए वो गया है.
बोलो भाग्यश्री तुम पे सूट नहीं कर रहा है थोड़ा सा मतलब एलिगेंट नहीं दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, ओके.
ये भी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, तुम कर रही हो, तुम्हें पता होगा. नहीं, ये सब कुछ करना चाहिए रिकॉर्ड क्योंकि हम ट्रांसपेरेंट लोग हैं ना.
हाँ बहुत ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट हो गए हैं अभी
आ
मुझे
गया
तो
आपका,
देखने
मैं
मिलेगा.
करती हूँ.
Yeah, I got-
Try this.
Wow.
And available in white
Sa-
gold as well.
Is that a
White gold.
platinum?
No, white gold.
Okay. Snake model है ना.
Wow, so good. It looks good. But I don't like this kind of plain ring. I like something with a diamond or something like this.
Diamond?
No. I want to try this watch. Can you please?
Which watch?
Any? I think this with the golden, more golden, not silver. I think gold is my color. Street record, and tell me, okay, if this suits me or not.
Yeah.
This model is very famous, Riya. In India also, I have seen with many of my friends. Not with the brand,
It's
but
too tight for me,
Is
man. It's too tight for me.
Yeah, this style should be a little bit.
You don't have any.
One row, it will be good.
You don't have my size.
At the moment, we have 135 with bracelet size.
Dear, you're breaking my heart. I need to buy it today. My boyfriend gave me his card today.
Really?
I need to spend it. Otherwise, cancel.
Alright, okay, I'm gonna buy.
This is too tight for me. This is good, but this is too tight for me.
okay. So you're getting the one? Yeah, sure.
No, you are not in the video, my dear. It's fine. We'll blur your face if it's you are in the video. But this is not in my size. Man.
Are they getting the size for you?
I don't know. Are you getting this size for me?
Yeah,
Or you
I will
don't
check
have
it
it? Or should I come next time? What is it?
No, I need to make special order for the size.
Oh, I need to order.
Okay. Oh.
Film your friend.
Sure. Definitely, I'll
Can you
do.
delete it?
We will blur it.
Can't you delete it?
Actually, we have been vlogging for a long time.